This is our new Najwa Sport Instant. This is made especially for people who love bawal and would like something yang macam a bit fancier than our usual Najwa Instant. So, you don't have to wear an inner but you can wear them if you want to. Like for me, I have very big forehead, so I don't need to wear an inner. You can just cut it and stick it. You get the shape you wanted. So this is inspired from bawal, so you can just wear them like a normal bawal, like this. Or you can even wear them like this. So this is something kalau you tak suka ada banyak benda dekat dada, so you can just wear it really close to your neck. Or another way. So this is how we wear it in our catalog. There's many ways to style this. Kalau tak, you also letak satu kat dalam and lagi satu. So this instant is inspired from bawal. So if you still want to wear bawal to exercise, to work out, or to run, so this is a very good substitute. So please check out our very new range of Najwa Sports Instant.